Hello, it's Eugene from Navixy. In a world of telematics and GPS tracking, accessing your device's original unfiltered data is crucial. Today, we are introducing the Raw Data Export tool. Raw data is a primary data, straight from your GPS trackers. It's essential for gaining a deep understanding of your device's performance and troubleshooting any issues efficiently. This not only enhances your product's reliability, but also opens up new ways for using and analyzing the data in Power BI systems, AI, and machine learning applications. Our new Raw Data Export tool allows anyone, from telematics service providers to developers, to access past raw data from their devices easily. You can now obtain data on various parameters from the past 30 days in CSV format. The Raw Data Export is a versatile tool, whether it's for diagnostics of sensor data, analytics, checking GPS tracker configuration, or creating custom solution for clients. So, let's have a closer look at the Raw Data Export tool. To use the Raw Data Export tool, navigate to Device and Settings from the main screen and choose the device from which you want to get raw data. In our case, we had concerns about Steve's car being used on the 30th of December. First of all, I need to select Steve object and then I click Export Data in the Raw Data portlet. The Raw Data Export pop-up displays, where you can choose any parameters from all available device models. To pick parameters, you can effortlessly search in a list of all available options for your choosing GPS tracker. Let's select the latitude, longitude, speed, and satellites. In Navixy, we made working with information easier for clients operating in different countries and time zones. So, you need to select your date range and time zone. I choose the date range from 30th of December until 1st of January. We will be using the default time zone of London, but in the system, we have many other options. After selecting your parameters, hit the Download CSV button. You can open the file with any supported text editor. Let's have a look at our downloaded file. After opening a CSV file, I'm scrolling down to check if the car been used on the 30th of December. As you can see, the car didn't stay idly, which proved that the vehicle been used. You can find much more information during your usage of raw data. The journey into the depth of your telematic data is continuing here. Ultimately, the Raw Data Export tool is about being able to get the benefits of raw data insights and opportunities disseminated to anyone. This is the main goal for us. Start your data exploration today with Navixy and let your business soar with the power of precise raw data. There is so much to show you. You can learn about us more at navixy.com.